Hey everyone, Poppy here with some more lessons on command and control. This lesson is on restrictive fire support coordination measures. A restrictive FSCM prevents fires into or beyond the control measure without detailed coordination. The primary purpose of restrictive measures is to provide safeguards for friendly forces. Restrictive FSCMs include an airspace coordination area, a no-fire area, a restrictive fire area, a restrictive fire line. Establishing a restrictive measure imposes certain requirements for specific coordination before the engagement of those targets affected by the measure.